Does the tank come with a fast charger?
No.
I hear the Galaxy S9 comes with a fast charger.
Yeah, but you could just buy a USB-C to lightning cable and then also get the fast charging adapter. Should do the job. Have a great day.
Next in line, please. Boarding pass and IDs out. Hello, ma'am.
Sorry, 1 second. It's loading. Look.
All right. Let's speed this up, please. Thank you.
With all of your conniving, you lost your charm. You built a flame that warms my
Papa Carmen?
Excuse me. That's my car.
Just head downtown.
And I'm moving on.
Can you stop here? Can we fix his phone tonight? It's really slow.
You could turn off the performance management feature, but it may lead to unexpected shutdowns.
Battery throttling.
Or you can just upgrade it.
I'm moving on. Yes, I'm moving on. I'm moving on.
But I mean, the camera's great, man.
Better than the Galaxy S9?
Ooh, you've been reading DxO Mark scores, haven't you?
Why is the Galaxy S9 rated higher?
Technically, according to those scores.
Do you believe in the scores?
I believe in this.
Are you pointing to your heart or to the lobe?
Yeah. Name's Pat.
Oh, hi, Pat. This is embarrassing. I can't find the micro SD slot.
Yeah, that's because it doesn't have one.
Oh. Galaxy S9 has one. So, how do I get more storage?
Cloud.
Oh, yeah. I don't want my stuff up there. I kind of want it on the phone.
Forget this guy. Buy this guy.
Oh.
It's just $140 more. So, we doing this, or?
Can I still use these headphones with the 10?
Yeah, but you'll need an adapter, or as most people like to call it, a dongle.
A what?
A dongle.
A dongle?
Yeah, a dongle. It comes in the box.
But what if I just need to charge at the same time?
Then you're gonna need another type of dongle.
Like a double dongle?
Yeah, double dongle, I guess.
That sounds explicit.
Rosie?
Hey. Okay, so the 10 doesn't have the fastest download speeds.
Well, no, but it is faster than the iPhone 8.
But the download speeds aren't faster than the Galaxy S9. But I thought it was the smartphone of the future.
Look, the notch.
The notch, right. Doesn't the notch cover up some of the screen if you watch a movie?
Not in the default view. Yeah.
But what if you want to fill the screen?
Oh, you just, voila. There you go.
It does still cover up some of the movie. Yeah.
No, not a lot, though.
Yeah, a little bit, though. Significant enough portion.
I mean, it takes time. You get used to it.
What's going on over there?
Oh, no. They come here all the time.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leaving.